Big up Crossy Stevie.
Right now, Cross is a good thing. Me not like Crossy Stevie turn Crosses in a good something.
But maybe I know your location. I'm a bomb that sucker dirty blood clot. Yeah, my audio, what one? Go suck your mama, you stink and dirty like dog. You fuck like dog and discharge like guinea pig. Your pussy stink. Go wash your pussy puss. Push go and wash your pussy. Your pussy stink. Your pussy stink dog shit. Your dog shit, your pussy stink like dog. Your old dog thinking pussy puss. Thinking pussy, you fuck like dog. Your pussy stink. You're thinking dog shit. You dirty woman, you dirty pussy. Go suck your mama. Your mama fuck like dog. Your mama put hood in your blood clot. Mama, hey girl, go suck your mama, you know. Where you jump off of? Where you jump off of? You can't tell me nothing about my pitney. You're too ugly blood clot. Grand pitney, them look like Zachariah. Them look like them yam 10 pound of flour. You're too blood clot, ugly, dirty grand pitney them. We live on blood clot hotel ground. You're too dirty blood clot pitney. You're too grand pitney will lick out them blood clot tongue and lick up hotel floor. Go suck your mama big stinking pussy woman. Where you run for? You not should have stand up? Where you run for? You not should have stand up? Your two grand pitney will look like Zachariah. Two big bumbuckler tough flow over there. Then can't come stepping on my little girl shoe. Go suck your mama. Hey, dirty one, you make me a lose. Hey, girl, hey, man, lift me alone and make me not do pitney, you know. You hear me? I tell a man, me not do pitney, you know. Dirty stinking woman. Where your father lick out your fucking voice box. You dirty woman. Mama will do dirty and think we're fucking a bathroom. We are turn up and fuck on wall. Me not trouble this woman a cuss me little baby this to them, man. What the fuck? Like, yo, you couldn't find something and argue with me, bitch? You arguing with my baby, bro? You dirty looking hoe. Where you run for post, send back your request, bitch. Man, my blood clot saw out your dirty stinking big pussy, you dirty pussy. You fuck out pussy, you dirty blood clot, dirty thinking woman. You worthless piece of shit. You make me come from work and I feel cause me tired no blood clot. You stinking dog shit. You come cause me look of 2-year-old baby over there today. You stink dirty dog. You stink dirty dog. Everybody call me today. Everybody call me today and tell me, oh, say you see a woman there, Suzi, me hate her. You dirty, dead left blood clot, wear and blood clot left dirty body. You stink, you molly. You know, come off a good table, that's why you cause people pick me dirty fuck out post. Your mama turn up in a bathroom and put 2 hands on the wall and then rape your mama and get you. And when them done rape you, when them get you, your mama help grow you and the same man them will fuck your mama and get you, them come back and fuck out your hole and fuck in your blood clot throat. Go suck out your blood clot dirty mama. And that me say big hole. Pussy girl. Where you run from the war for suck out? Where you run for pussy? Come at me slice you up like a tomato, dirty woman. All fuck out, dirty. Hey woman, you dirty, you smell like morass. You gonna the people in party with stink mouth. You got a munchie party with stink mouth. You go a munchie house, you go wear munchie blood clot drawers, and the drawers couldn't fit you. Take off munchie drawers. Take off munchie drawers. You thief up the whole of munchie drawers. You thief out the whole of munchie drawers, dirty blood clot, thinking puss while living in England. You go a munchie blood clot birthday party, you thief out the whole of the girl blood clot drawers and force your big dirty government body in a it. Your big dirty roll ball field thinking body. Your big blood clot bomb dirty stinking body. Your body smell like the mall them and the dead people them and the pan you. Cause you stink. Munchie she never want you come sleep her house, thinking girl have to go sleep a hotel, embalming, thinking dead in a pussy, you're dead, you think you're rotten. None of the girls see the girl them did a stay far from you at the party. Cause be a wearer and left blood clad clothes you in now. You force your big stinking tenement blood clad foot in a tough blood clad shoes, dirty Puss. Stop wear your daughter shoes. Stop wear your son shoes. Stop wear your daughter them clothes. Stop wear your pitney them clothes. Yeah, you pick them away same clothes. Dirty girl, dirty thinking Puss will live in England. She run. Cause she knows that me will slice her up like a blood clot tomato. Go suck your mama. And go cut by nail clip and go clip your mama fingernail them. Big dirty boss stinking girl. You dog shit. The whole I want to get rape on the phone to get child molested and the father bringing it down. And the one company blood clot internet come bring down people pick me. Get away. Fly away. Your big dirty blood clot, dirty bossy, big all the boss them a Jamaica cleaner than you. Stinking. You wear shirt for blood clot dress. Every day they put on this blood clot filter for your dirty blood clot body. Go suck your mama. Your mama turn up in a blood clot. Them little dirty tile them where you pass when you go out of town. And you stop and you say, give me a stop. Can I use your restroom? And they say your mama turn up in the bathroom. And then fuck your mama and get you and the same man them. Help you grow your mama and help when your mama have you, when your mama have you and your mama grow you, the same man them will fuck your mama turn on and fuck you and ram down the hood in your mouth and rape out and bring down your hole like blood clot gully, your gully hole. Puss your hole coming like gully. Your hole coming like gully. Your blood clot hole coming like raka shanty blood clot strainer. Donut fucking Bob Marley funeral. 7C clash wide and deep. L-hole stinking dirty government clothes. Suck your mama bitch. You can't war with me. Pussy, me will mad you. Me will mad you bitch. You can't war. Next year come war with me 1 minute and jump off. Dirty one. You think me ever run from no war pussy? Me is an icon. Suzi the icon. Never scare, bitch. Never scare. Pussy, you know, see me give me left Dolly for you. Pussy, you forgot say me first it come up with Dolly argument. Pussy. I mean first, pussy, me tell you how me get it. Me tell you pussy when Dan take down my picture, me say Dan will take down my Dolly field. I run with Dolly. I me give you blood clot Dolly. Me say me a Barbies. I'm a Barbie. Cause blood clot Dolly can't compare with the Barbs. My other bitch.
Yo man, Suzi, you're my grandson, you see?
You put it down. You don't want to hear nothing. You
can say grandma, Suzi.
Bring back Munchie Bring back Munchie John about peace. Put your about bring back blood clot Munchie John with your feet. Bring back Munchie John. Munchie want back that blood clot. Suck your mama. Go suck your mama, your mouth pink. Your dirty big pussy. Your dirty. Where? Go suck your grandpitney them. Your grandpitney them ugly. Ugly monkey grandpitney them. Take your dirty grandpitney off on the floor. Your dirty gorilla grandpitney. Your thinking gorilla grandpitney. Where? Your grandpitney and dirty. Go suck your mama. Yeah, you come to rub and you come to next night. You come to next night you come to rub. Go suck your mama big pussy woman. You're dirty and thin. All poor garment. Pussy and fuck. You take off the diaper. You take off the diaper, Puss. You take off the diaper. Dog, fuck you. Your whole shit up. Your whole shit up. Your mouth stink. You was a fucking thinking more. Bring back Munchie drawers. Bring back Munchie drawers where your teeth are out. Your pussy stink. Your pussy mud up. Your pussy mud up, Puss. Your pussy mud up, blood up, sod up, dirty, nasty, stink. Go suck your mama. foreclosed government. Your favorite dog shit in England. You're the biggest
Nah, make
dirty
no
woman in
sense. You're not
England.
making
You're not
sense.
beard. You're not
No
beard. When you do, you
sense.
go to the guy. You suck your mama, dirty
Whoa!
woman.
Why you
You're
mad
dirty,
though?
huh?
Listen,
Why
why
you
you behaving like
mad with
that?
the bomb?
Why you
Why
mad
you mad with the
though?
bomb? Why the fuck
When
you
you
mad with the bomb?
watch out.
What? Why you mad with the bomb? Why you mad with the bomb,
Our
bitch?
blood
Why you mad
clot
the bomb?
this.
Bitch,
You
you
up
ugly
like
daddy. You
downtown
is
and
the
you
ugly
free like
daddy.
Tivoli.
You is the
Dirty
ugly daddy.
pussy,
Why
you
you
too shit
mad
as
with
in
this
put on a
nigga's
perfect
bomb?
shit out.
Why the fuck
Mouth.
you? Why the fuck you
Marco
mad with the
wall, go
bomb?
ahead.
Out the bars, bitch. Why you jealous of the bars?
Hey,
Why
boy,
you
your blood
fucking jealous of
clots,
the
you go
bars,
ahead.
bitch?
Boop,
Stop
boop,
jealous of
boop.
me. Go
Oh
find
my
a job,
God.
bitch. You sit on your pussy every day with wet up
Verbal
pamper foot and
assassination.
talk shit. Go
Boo, boo, boo,
change
boo,
your
boo, boo, boo,
diaper,
boo,
man.
boo, boo, boo,
I'm
boo, boo,
just
boo, boo,
coming
boo.
from
In the
work,
name
bitch.
of
Puss, I
Jesus,
just
Psalm
coming from work. Go
61,
change your
Psalm
fucking diaper.
55,
You bitch
Psalm
shit. You're looking
65,
dirty.
Psalm
Looking
100,
dirty ass. You
Psalm
stink, Puss.
200,
Puss,
Psalms
you
1,
stink. You
Proverbs
stink. You
10,
come like a big
Proverbs
dirty
8,
wall. Your pussy
Isaiah
coming like
5,
Prince Power,
Psalms
Puss.
10,
Puss, your pussy
Jeremiah
coming
1,
like Prince
Jeremiah
Power. You
20,
stink like a
Jeremiah 30, the
dirty.
blood of
Go wash your
Jesus, the
pussy. You're
blood, the blood, the
done.
blood, the
You
blood, the blood, the
stink.
blood, the
You're coming
blood,
like
the
dog. You're
blood,
dog
the blood
shit.
of
You're
Jesus
dirty.
against you,
Go beard.
Satan.
Go suck
Get
your mama,
behind
your
us,
grandchildren,
Satan.
them. You wear
Satan, you
top up
can't do
shoes. You
nothing.
wear a gun
Satan, you
shoes.
can't do
You don't know
nothing.
good. You're the worst woman of
Satan,
blood
get
clot
behind
England.
us.
Pussy, you're done.
Satan,
You're done. Your
Satan,
pussy done. Your pussy
Satan,
done, dirty
murder.
woman. Your pussy
Satan, get
done. Your
behind us,
dog shit. Go
Satan.
suck up
Get
the body
behind
wall.
us.
Go
The blood, the
real
blood,
me
the blood,
shit.
the
Your
blood, the blood of
dog
Jesus
shit.
against
Your
you, Satan.
idiot. Your
The
where? Your
blood of
mouth
Jesus.
stink. Your mouth
The
stink.
blood of
Your
Jesus
teeth drop
against
out
you.
in a
In the
tiny.
mighty
Your
name
teeth
of
drop out in a
Shabbat, to the
tiny, bitch.
congregation
Go
of
pick out
death.
your teeth
I
in the
will
Irish
fear no
woman. Pick up
evil.
your teeth in a
Yes, I have
tiny.
fear no
But your mouth
evil. The
smell like
blood.
shit.
The
Or
blood.
ass teeth put. Go brush your teeth with ass teeth blood clot
Oh,
brush. Your mouth
rebuke
stink
you.
early. Your
Oh,
pussy
Lord,
red.
rebuke you in the
Your
name of
red
Jesus.
and stick no blood clot. You
Whoa,
come
we
like
rebuke you.
dog.
We
Go fuck
rebuke
your
you.
woman, you know
We
that bitch.
rebuke you.
Bitch, you
Oh,
too
my
dead, high blood
God.
pressure, kill your
Oh,
blood
my
clot.
God. We
Bitch,
rebuke
never
you.
make you go get
I
the high
rebuke you.
blood
I rebuke that.
pressure pill.
We
Go
rebuke
fuck
in the
your
name of
woman.
Jesus.
And be a
I
madman, fuck your
rebuke you.
woman. Your
I
father fuck
rebuke
out
you.
your wall.
The blood
Your
of
father
Jesus
trim down
against
your
you. The
clitoris.
blood.
Your
The
father
blood
done
of
out your
Jesus
blood
against
clot
you.
hole. Your pussy
Amen.
big like Bob Marley funeral man. Joan on the blood clot wheel. Joan on the wheel, bitch. You can't come. Stop playing.
The blood. Me
The
say the
blood of what? The
blood.
blood in your hole. The steel blood in your hole, puss. The steel blood in your hole. The steel blood in your hole. The steel blood in your hole. The dirty blood clot, steel blood in your hole, dirty
The
woman.
blood.
Steel blood took up your whole bitch.
The
Your whole big
blood.
and done
The
like blood
blood of
clot, Bob
Jesus
Marley
set us
funeral.
free.
Your big pussy,
Release
a
us,
steel
Lord.
dog. Go
Lord,
pick up your
release
dirty dog.
us.
Sit down and take
Release
off
us
the
from
cloth
demon and
and lick in your hole,
deliverance.
your big stinking
Oh,
dirty dog
Jesus,
shit.
release
Go
us.
fuck your
Jesus, you
woman.
come to
Big
your
stinking
disguise.
woman. Get that bitch off. Hurry up.
Why? Rapapapapapapa. The blood set
Why you
us
never tell mama
free.
say this bitch is my
Let we
phone?
go.
It is
Rapapapapapapa.
mine, guys. Turn it off.
Rapapapapapa.
You dirty bitch. You come to war and plead in the blood. Because I'm a bad bitch, so you gotta plead the blood, bitch. Yeah, bitch. You gotta plead the blood, bitch, because I'm a legend, hoe. Bitch, you come to war. That's why I say I hate war with this bitch. You make a fool of your fucking self, bitch. You can't war. So stop sending your people with me, pussy ass hoe. Big tunnel blood clot Bob Marley funeral hole. Stop fucking playing with me. Then you going to war and come up your grandchildren. Do you think I was going to start for your dirty ass grandchildren, them? Go suck your mama, man. You diss me kids, me, I diss back your grandpitna, them. You come over here, so with this heap of blood clot nights with no go, no teeth, no in your blood clot head. All blood clot ugly girl has no gun, bitch. You're mad because I tell her say your teeth drop out of the blood. Yes, post your teeth drop out in the toilet. And you pick it up and you know, wash it off and you push it back in your mouth. Go suck your mama. Boy, you come about the blood. Go take out the dirty blood and under your hole with tough up. You come for blood clot war, pussy. You come for the war and I beg out the war. All the blood coming at this. Because see, hey, me a lick on your blood clot, you talk about blood. I saw she see every time she come for war me, she bet be a nice. Cause she don't want nobody hear when we blood clot when me and say. She make up be a nice. I 3 times being a bitch you go a war, you know. And she do that to me. Like, and if you can't war me, just stay the fuck off my name, bitch. You don't make no sense. You argue with me, and when I call you out, you're there on the blood. Like, that don't make sense, bitch. You just showing you how fucking weak you is, pussy. Cause you're supposed to come shoot me down, bitch. Stop. And yeah, you go to war. Why you making noise? Cause you don't want nobody hear what the fuck I'm saying to you, oh. You don't want nobody hear I'm shooting your blood clot. Me I sting you with my BB gun in your big stinking sun body. In your big Jonah wheel dirty blood clot body. You come over here bit about the blood. Nobody want to hear that fuck ass hoe. I bet as well me alone that stay upon my life and rub out your blood clot. Cause me think your blood clot come for war. Go suck your mama bitch. I'm still a legend. You have to pee the blood of me. Cause when you can't take off dopey where you plead none of the blood. When you can't take off dopey where you peel down of the blood clot blood. I saw that bad my body I feel plead the blood clot blood upon me suck dirty blood clot gorilla. Suck dirty puss. Me not tell the people them say you can't war me. Sour candy, sour dog, sour drunker. You understand now? You say you understand the chef? Your boss can't war me. Me's a alliance. Me's a blood clot alliance. Me come from Bounty Killer, Bumbo Clot, bloodstream. Go suck on the mama out here, man. And that me say. What the fuck? You come over here and tell about the blood. Go plead the blood up and take out the blood with stuff up under your old bitch. That hoe never could have warned me. She run from Tanya, she run from me. That's why I'm saying, bitch, I'm gone out here, bitch. This don't make no sense. You talk shit every day in England. But when I send for your ass, you come talk about the blood. The blood. That makes sense? What fucking blood? Do you see no blood that drain over here, bitch? The only blood was shedding, bitch. I want to shed your fucking face, hoe. I want to shed your face, puss. Like Chucky Part 2, bitch. Like Chucky and the Bride, hoe. Stop playing with a nigga. Stop playing with a nigga, bitch. I told you all on the old fucking bitch. I don't scared of none of her, bitch. You come up here, come talk about the blood. The blood. When you see the blood, bitch. You asking for, you scared for me to blood up your face, puss? You scared for me to blood up your motherfucking face, bitch? Go take off Munchie drawers. That's what you need to do, bitch. Go take off Munchie drawers. That's not your size, bitch. That's not your size, bitch. You wear triple drawers, bitch. Stop fuck with me, ho. How'd walk back? Get the fuck off my life, bitch. How'd walk? Why would I had somebody? You a dumb fuck too. Why am I had somebody were making noise and not arguing? You stupid bitch. I'ma block you, ho. Get off my life, bitch. Let me see. Oh fuck, bye, bitch. See this bitch. Get the fuck off my life. Block. Stop playing with me. Fucking dumbass. You see the lady arguing? Or the lady come to make noise? Stop talk shit, cause y'all know you was live. Out what? She come up, she not worrying. She talking about the blood. Like she see a demon. I don't even pull out and Puss run. Me don't even put gun in a gear 2 or gear 3. I know me not ready for gear her up yet. And this bitch start crying out the blood. Shabba the blood. What fucking blood? The only blood I see, I want to fucking bullet her fucking face and lick that shit off, bitch. The fuck wrong with you, nigga? How'd what? Had somebody will come up here